Another little maintenance job on Max the van. He was starting to cough a little bit, and I think it's been about 40,000 k's since I've done a service. That last one I did was when I did fuel filters, and the sort of coughing he was doing was usually when I was trying to go under power, and sometimes that's just the fuel filter. Yeah, the fuel filter on the Ford is here under the body, like driver's seat's just there. Fuel tank here, fuel pump just up in that area. When trying to replace your fuel filter, this one's held up in these little spring things, and when you get your other filter, the main thing you've got to check on these is that you have it go in the right direction. Some of them will actually have the arrow. Yeah, this one's got the arrow just there. You can see the arrow, so it's got to go this way, tank side, engine side. The one issue I find with doing fuel filters is that as soon as you take the filter off, fuel wants to spit out. You need to have some way of basically clamping the hoses a little bit. Front hose isn't usually too bad, so I just try and basically pinch it up a bit with a shifter. This will probably still leak a bit, but it's better than having it squeeze out like crazy. Get your clamps undone. Now originally this just had these little spring clamps, and I found out that the old piece of hose and the old spring clamp that was on here was just starting to leak. So I bought these tiny little screw hose clamps. Just loosen that off, get it past where the edge of the fuel filter will be. Use some pliers to squeeze this one and get it moved back. So get it past. Now because this is the tank side, I'm going to use a pair of vice grips to make sure I've really got a good clamp on it, but I don't want to have it so that it's so tight that it's going to crush the hose completely. Hopefully that's enough. Try and get it out of its little clips. Get it out of all your springs, and then you want to be able to do this fast. And I'm going to swap my glasses for safety glasses, because I don't want fuel splashing in my eyes. Usually you need to just sort of twist the hose a little bit to break the seal, that the hose ends up making to the filter. Now I can already feel some of the fuel leaking out of the old filter. Not working as well as I was hoping. It really needs to be clamped up, and hopefully that's blocked this time. This is not working as well as I was hoping. You can see the fuel basically filling up the filter. Hose is all the way on. So I guess the main lesson here is don't do this if you are afraid of getting fuel on you. Now I've had a lot of fuel on me at the moment, so I'm going to have to go and wash off so I don't get chemical burns on me. But I can tell that old filter was really clogged. It's all dirty looking on the inside. The little spring clamps usually put enough pressure on themselves. If they don't, then you've got to replace them as well. I've got some more of these just in case. And get back in the clamp so it's in the clip, so it's going to sit still. Fuel is just starting to fill it back in there, I can see it. I've got fuel all over my arm. Fuel all over the ground. The fuel on the ground will evaporate. Fuel on my arm I've got to wash off before I burn myself, because that's happened before. That wasn't the cleanest replacement filter, but it's done. So I'll have to get the van started up and get the fuel back through so it's all in the line.